So I got invited to go to the White House, and naturally I had to document all the audio things that I saw, and a lot of them pissed me off. This is the press room. This is this is the White House. This is the White House. They just got power strips hanging out, and like these TF1s. Look at this, just sitting in a hallway somewhere with a fucking bunch of cables just bulging out of a cart. Look at this. No cable management whatsoever in the vice president's press briefing room. Just absolutely disgusting. Who is running this place? Like 18-year-old interns? They got this Sennheiser. Hey, yo, corn pop, pass the aux. Yeah, no problem. It's just taped to this sign right here. What the fuck? Y'all know Bluetooth exists, right? Oh, yeah. And even in the White House, you gotta attach all your dongles together because someone might fucking steal them. Awesome.